McIntosh Science Day again. We're already on the third Science Day. Can you believe it? Now, don't forget to go to Beanstack and register, and then you can follow along. And you can also download all these activities on our website and then print them if you'd like. Or you can just view them as you wish. Now, don't forget that Vernon Communications is also lending us their camera and doing all sorts of editing to help us produce something really lovely for you this summer when we have to be virtual. So if you know anybody who works at Vernon Communications, make sure you thank them a great deal. All right, let's get started. Remember last week we did some surface tension and we had the drops of food coloring and then we put soap in the middle and went to the side? Well, we're going to do a different kind of surface tension today. Actually, two different kinds. And one, I'll show you a trick that you can do it on your parents. So, we're going to check if we have everything again. That's always a really good place to start. 2 drinking glasses, exactly the same. I have 2 glass ones, but plastic is fine. A paper card, got it. A dime or other small object. Yep, here's a dime. And a pitcher of water. And something to catch water just in case. And the other one is 2 clear drinking glasses, exactly the same. Dish soap. Some pennies. And a pan to catch the water. And a pitcher of water. We might have to fill that up again, but we'll see. All right, I'm going to move this over here. And now I'm going to fill the first glass up as far as I can with water without it overflowing. Wow, I think I can get a little bit more in there, but it's tricky at this point. Did you see that? It looked full. I think I shouldn't risk it. What do you think? The cameraman's telling me, don't risk it, Miss Mary. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to try to see how many. This looks very full, doesn't it? But remember what I told you about surface tension and those bonds? It's like everybody's in a circle and they want to hold hands. They don't want to let go. Well, let's see if we can make them let go. And see how I'm dropping the pennies in so they'll go in with the thin side to me. I wonder if the camera guy can see this. When I put it in, it actually looked like there was a slit there. 2. I hope you're counting. 3. No water's come out. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Whoa, did a little spill? We'll see. 11. 12. 13. 14. Good thing I have a lot of pennies. 15. Holy cow. 16. Better let it settle for a minute here because it's jiggling from the penny. Is that 17? 18? 19? 20? 21? 22? Holy cow! 23? 24? Oh my gosh, you know what I see? The water in the middle is actually above the glass. They're holding hands so tightly. You know, it's kind of like that game you play when you, Red Rover, maybe that's the name of it, where people are holding hands and they don't want to let you through. I think that's what's happening here, because there's actually some of the water above the rim. 27? No, 24. That was 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Do you think this will do it? 30. Did you think this many were going to go in there? Me either. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do you think we're going to get all 50 of these in here? All right, here's number 41. Let's do it. 42. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to be quiet because maybe my voice will make it come out. 43. Oh, water spilled. 43 went in there. Can you believe it? Now, here's the really fun part. This is how you're gonna do a trick with your parents. Can you see that bulge right there? I'm gonna fill up another glass just like I did before. Nice and full. Then I'm gonna take one little drop of dish soap. So that's dissolved. So then that person doesn't know that. There. Now, no one can tell that I put one tiny drop of soap in it. So now let's see what happens when I add. Ah! It already spilled. So much spilled, it's not even doing it again. So, the surface tension over here was broken, but the other person doesn't know. So you can say to your mom and dad, hey, let's see who can put the most pennies in their glass. And then you can say, okay, I'll do this glass, you do this glass. And you've already put the little bit of soap in there, and you have a pile of pennies there. And you say, oh, you go first, go ahead. So they go, you go, they go, you go. And you can show them the right way, the skinny side in. And theirs will spill, and they'll be like, and then you can keep putting them all in, and they'll be going, how come yours is that? And then you can go, because of surface tension. And I tricked you because I put soap in yours, and it broke the surface tension. But mine are still holding on tight. And they'll think that you're really smart because you know that. And you are really smart. So, don't forget, one with a little tiny bit of soap, stir it up. Another one with no soap, get them filled nice and even. Now you can't let them know that this one has soap. Get a pile of coins and start dropping them in and see what happens. Now, I'm going to show you another surface tension one, and I got to spill all this water because I have to get rid of these coins in there. Okay, don't forget all of these directions so you can replicate these experiments are on our website. You just click on the activity and you can find them. Now, I filled these two glasses again to the brim. I washed them out because I wanted to make sure there was no soap in any of them. Because again, remember, we're doing surface tension. That's those molecules holding hands. Now what I'm going to do is put the cover on one of these. And this is why it's not a bad idea to do this experiment outdoors. Because now I'm going to flip this glass and a little will come out. And now I want to get these as lined up as possible. And the tricky part is yet to come, because now I have to pull out this card while keeping the edges of the glass lined up. Got it. Phew. Now, what do you think is going to happen if I try to put this dime in there? Yeah, I'm going to make a mess. And that's why you need to do this one outside. Let's give it a try. You ready? Get the dime all ready. Why didn't the water gush out? I don't understand. Do you? Give me your answer at Beanstack. Click on 2.3 and see if you can tell me why. Now, our next activity is another cooking activity. We're going to make homemade pizza sauce and then make your own pizzas. We'll see you tomorrow at Homemade Pizzas.